What up? This is your boy, Snake Nation. I represent a nation of the gods. Yeah, as you see, Snake Nation. As you see, Snake Nation. This is what we all about. Ngangimoshela isikhathi nje mfethu. Let's just get to this where shit is really happening out there, especially these days. There are people talking about some foreigner things, all that stuff. But people are being misled. People, they look on a small scale, not on a bigger scale. We will always fight each other as Africans, especially black Africans, about dark skin, brown skin. Sizohlezi silwa sodwa, which is fascinating, and kuzoba nzima ukuthi sithole solution unless we know ourselves. Kunesisho sama-African sithi know thyself. You know what I mean? So if you can't know yourself, anybody can walk into your life, into your space, wherever you are, and tell you shit. Like challenge ukuthi ubani. And when you will have no choice but to believe that garbage, that bullshit stuff. You know what I mean? Because when you don't know yourself, especially this shit, yama Christianity, lento bullshit, bro. Lento it's senza sibe stuck. It's protecting what we don't understand, what is not us. So now we're busy protecting some stuff which doesn't resonate with our frequency, which doesn't align with spirituality. So we Africans, we used to believe with spirituality. Spiritually, we believe see formation of my gods. You know what I mean? Because information needs come from the sky. Mina ngumZulu. Zulu nation, Mzulu, Izulu, sky, Kanyezi, relate. So which is true. Basically, more ufunda nge-science, ufunda nge-formation yamaZulu. Hayi amaZulu abantu, amaZulu onke. I-universe. AmaZulu. Uyangithola. Yeah, more ufunda nje ngesimo samaZulu ayewonke. I-formation ye-universe. Uyabona lapha ama-black holes, ama-stars onembula, white dwarf stars, brown dwarf star, red star, ilanga. I-formation yawo anama-gases, ama-helium, o-carbon. Thina emzimbeni wethu sinawo lowo ma-carbon, lowo ma-helium. Because sinama-atoms, ama-atoms siwathathe kulo ilanga, thina sizalwa ama-dust elanga. Inkanyezi explore sifa, ikhipha i-dust, thina siyi-formation yaleyo dust yama-planets. So thina mfethu we come a long way till we came here into this earth, and abantu abazazi, ama-Africans, they knew that long time ago. Mongakholwa wenze research yakho ufunde ngama-Dagon people. Ama-Dagon people nabo they believe ukuthi basuke ku-Syria based down. Nathi amaZulu, we coming from Izulu. What you call these planets? Inembula, Noruba. Noruba planets. So nje, go back to where I started. Le ndaba yokulwa. Abantu baqhamuka overseas, phesheya kwilwandle. Africa ingekho ngisho noyedwa umlungu, kwangabantu ababukeka kanje. Bafika la nebhamu batshontsha iland. Babulala okhokho omkhulu bethu, babulala amakhosi, batshontsha iland. Ba-create i-system, basinika i-system yabo abayi-create e-Europe, abafika nayo la kwi-continent yethu ba-create iy'kole, ba-create amajele, churches, you know, ba-create ama-companies which thina sizosebenza ngaphansi kwawo, sisebenzele bona. You know, they never respected our culture, our way of living. They suppressed that, and which is very, very angazi ngayithini, yabo nje level of manipulation abasishaya ngayo. And these motherfuckers, they disrespect us, you know. And angiswele igama lokubeka, angazi how can I put this word, you know. These motherfuckers suppress, manipulate. They did everything. Wipe out umqondo wethu. They kill our leaders, stole our identity. They change it bayenze yabo thina suppress, basinikeza this Christianity thing. Fuck shit, mina I'm anti-Christ, bro. Because abantu South Africa ba-program ngale ndlela, ba-brainwash ngale ndlela, balandela ngisho ama-Roma. I-Rome indawo yase-Italy, Roman Empire. Ama-Roman Empire was an empire yo-Julius Caesar yafoma, yalwa nabantu, yakhonka abantu ngapha ko-Greece, yayilwa nama-Greek, bebanga information yase-Kemet, land of the blacks, Africa. Bangachecka manje bakhonza iy'teju zo-Black Madonna, thina basinikeza the white gay man Jesus lobo mpenta lapho. That's not Jesus. Yabo, uJ comes after 200 BC, AD. BC mainly before Christ. Kodwa abantu still brainwash. They still brainwash. They basakhonza izinto engekho emthethweni. Fuck this shit, dog. We need to fight a system. Sidla incwadi yokufunda economics, finance, business, land, start to get into business, to entrepreneurship, make a lot of money. Fuck bitches, fuck hoes, fuck doing hoes, fuck thenga impahla eziyi-expensive, thenga imoto eziyi-expensive. Let's buy ama-assets, imfuyo, i-land, sibe nama-rental properties. Then once we have money, let's create ama-system ethu thina abantu abamnyama, which is gonna work ngendlela yethu. Siyeke ukulwa sodwa. Lezi gebengu ezimhlophe ziyasibuka nje manje silwa sodwa, sichisa people from Ghana, people from Malawi, people from Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Algeria, whatsoever country you can mention. Thina we're busy fighting each other, sibabiza ngama-foreign. But asibabiza belungu ngama-foreigner. For me, belungu, they are fucking foreigners, you know, because they came from other countries. They came with nothing and they stole everything from us. Banama mine, banama shops, banama malls. They go greatest real estate around globally, South Africa. You know what I mean? So fuck shit, dog. I'm not gonna be misled or manipulated by these motherfuckers. I know myself. I know where I came from. I'm a true